This is Andre from Pulsacoil repair. On this video presentation I have to remove this thermal store, which is an old type of systems. Now looks like no one wants to use this system anymore. The heating elements always trips, doesn't work more than 6 months, and the customer have enough to this system. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna replace it with a gladed Pulsacoil and redo all these pipes, install additional cables, switches, filters, and we will make the area better than this one. Now we will do this job on Monday morning. Saturday today we will check this out at 4 o'clock today. Let's see how this go forward today.